Good morning. So, from now, I want to concentrate on, along with this regular tutorials, I want to concentrate on something on interview related questions who are pursuing jobs and who wants to change their jobs. Also, for fresher, any level of interview if you are attending. For that, I want to give some helpful questions in interview because some of the questions which are mandatory in Android interview. So those type of questions I'll give regular updates on that. If you want to get an regular updates on interview related questions, please subscribe my channel. So today on that the first today we'll concentrate on first interview question. It's almost mandatory in everywhere. That is here component of Android. So simply they'll ask what are the components are there in Android? What are the components? So in Android there are there are so what are the components are there in Android? So in Android there are multiple components are there. Those are so those are so first one which is activity. There are five components are there in Android. First one is the activity. Second one is service. So service. And the third one is intent. And the fourth one is receiver broadcast receiver. Then last which is this provider content provider. This is mandatory question this, but once you say this much they won't satisfy. They'll expect something more on this. But what they'll expect, each and every, they want definition. How this could be the definition of each. See, here activity. Activity is nothing but it's a simple words. It's a single page. Simple words. It's a single page. Single page with XML as and Java or Kotlin support. Means single page with some action. Either it may XML side or it may side Java side. That we can call as activity. But this activity is very important. Without activity, there is no application. With minimum one activity is required for this. Minimum one activity required for application. Required for application because at least it should have like calculator has only single activity, but if you go in any other application it has more than one activities, but it should be having this minimum one activity this. And simple words, this is the definition of Android. It's activity. What is activity? Activity is nothing but it's a one of the component of Android, and it's a single page with XML and Java or Kotlin. But every application it should have minimum one activity is required. So that is about this activity. Then what about service? Service is also one of the component of Android, but it does not has UI. It completely using for long running background process. It we use it for long running background process like alarm, reminders, download. So that can be here long running background process. It can be used for long running background process. And no UI. It never interact with the user. it never interact with the user. It can be in the always in the background itself. So here also simple, it's also one of the component of Android. It have no UI and it's a long running background process. That is this. Then after this, intent is also very important. This component, this is simply we can use this as a for moving from one activity to other activity and passing data and invoke system service last start service. So this is also very important. About this each and every component description, anyhow we have regular videos. On the regular videos you can go through the full description of that, but here just I'm giving you the definition how you can explain in interview. This much of here it's enough. And also we can go deeply into this when they ask about especially about intent, especially about activity, that we can go in a separate videos here regularly. So now the next, broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver is nothing but it gives system level announcements, broadcast announcements. What are broadcast announcement? Like battery low, Wi-Fi available, broadcast announcements. Battery low or available, Wi-Fi available, Bluetooth available, such kind of announcements it can give. So it is also one of the component of Android. It can give this. This means here what happens here, there is a link between the service and broadcast receiver. Service does not interact with the user. Like simply, if alarm, I said example as alarm. If I set alarm at 6 o'clock, when 6 happens, this service can invoke broadcast receiver. Then broadcast receiver will give announcements to the user. That is time is alarm time is happened like that. This is about this broadcast receiver. And the last component here, content provider. So content provider, in that word only it is there, content provider. It's providing the content. But what type of content it's providing? It's providing content. The simple example is our WhatsApp. See, from WhatsApp, whatever the contacts I'm saving in my phone, those I'm accessing in WhatsApp. Also gallery, files, everything I'm accessing. That is content. Means my contacts application is the different, WhatsApp is different. It's not belongs to the same person, it belongs to the different people, but still we are accessing. That is nothing but content provider. Means it's providing the content to the different applications. That is nothing but here content provider. So this is, so about this each and every we can go again in a deep interview point of view as well as full description of this. Please subscribe to get more interview questions. Thank you.